equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Surface Pro the 5th of May experienced battery issues, often indicated by rapid battery drain or failure to charge. This can occur due to age, software glitches, or a failing battery. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further complications, including device shutdowns and data loss. For this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, a spudger, and a replacement battery specifically for the Surface Pro 5. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the device, starting from the edges to avoid damaging the screen. Once open, locate the battery, which is typically secured with screws. Carefully remove these screws using the precision screwdriver. Disconnect any cables attached to the battery, taking care not to damage nearby components. Gently lift the old battery out and replace it with the new one, ensuring all connections are secure. Reassemble the device by reversing the opening process, applying gentle pressure to snap the casing back together. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future battery issues, ensure your device is updated regularly and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.